Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing about the questions of NIOS of mathematics assignment. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of questions in PDF and the handwritten assignments. If you need of these assignments, you can call us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on our screen below, which is 900936838. Now, question number four, I think this is question number, yes. Question number 4A is, if the sum of the exponents of the prime factors in the prime factorization of 31,752 is the product of exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of is B, find A ratio B. And the second one is Aman and Neha denoted rupees X and Y respectively from their pocket money towards prime ministers. National Relief Fund, the donations made by them are represented by the following equation. So find the total donation made by Aman and Neha towards PMNRF. So these are the questions of this um, assignment. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, uh, and we will get back to you soon. Thank you so much for watching.